Hello world, so in this quick video I'm gonna show you how you can easily lock your Facebook profile on your mobile phone. And lots of people were saying that they could not find the profile lock option on their Facebook settings. So I'm going to give the solution of that problem as well. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and leave a like. Saying that, let's start the video. So at first go to your Facebook app here. And when you open it, just go to your profile. And after that, just scroll down and go to the setting and privacy. Also you can find this setting and privacy in top right corner of your screen. Okay, so just tap on it, and after that just go a little bit down here and you will see here profile locking option. Okay, so just tap on it, and after that lock your profile, so just tap on it. So when you do that, it takes a moment and you see you locked your profile. It will come saying like that. So just tap on OK. So your profile is locked now. But many people were saying that they could not find the profile lock option on their Facebook setting. So to solve that problem, I show you a simple trick. Go to this three dot here, and after that you should just turn off the professional mode. Okay, so if it is turned on, then just simply turn it off, turn off. Okay, I just click on turn off, and it will take some loading time, and after that it will be successfully turned off, and simply close it and refresh this page, and here you can see now lock profile option, and you can simply lock it again. So it is that simple. So my friend, that's it. Subscribe if you find this video helpful, and I will be back with another problem solving videos like this. Thanks for watching.